If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that could shift your entire financial destiny, I would tell you this. The 1% is not a bank balance, it's not a lifestyle, it's not a tax bracket. It's a psychological frequency, a way of thinking, speaking, and acting that the world eventually calls success. But it begins long before the success shows up. Most people live reactively, waiting for something external to change before they think differently. But the 1%, they become the change first, and the world bends around their identity. Let me show you exactly how they operate. Think like the 1% inner conversation first. The rich doesn't think in emotions, they think in frameworks. They ask, what's the opportunity here? What's the long term gain? What's the smartest move, not the most comfortable move? What version of me is needed right now? While 99% says, I hope this works. I am scared. What if I fail? The 1% says, I'll figure it out because I always do. They don't wait for confidence, they generate it through action. Your inner dialogue is your real net worth. Speak like the 1%, language creates reality. The wealthy are very intentional with words because they know words become identity. They don't say, I am broke, I can't afford this, life is so hard. They say, this is not a priority right now. I am reallocating resources. I am creating new income streams. I am learning something valuable. Do you feel the shift? One version shuts your nervous system down, the other expands it. The 1% speaks from possibility, not limitation. Act like the 1%, behaviors are the signal to the universe. This is where most people get it wrong. People think the 1% acts by doing more, but the truth, the 1% acts by doing what matters. They make fewer decisions, but better decisions. They move slow, but they move with precision. They act from intention, not survival. They audit their energy. They choose their environment. They guard their attention like it's gold. They don't respond to chaos. They walk away from it. They don't chase validation. They build self respect. They don't wait for the right time. They create it. Reading this alone is not enough. You must embody it. Every day, ask yourself, what would the 1% version of me do right now? How would she walk, speak, decide, show up, do that? Repeat it consistently, and you won't just become the 1%. You will become the version of you the world can't ignore. Because wealth is not something you earn, it's something you become. Thank you for being here.